Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, darling. My name is Matela, also known as Kelly V, and welcome to Vlogmas 2024 episode 1. Ba, 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 ba.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new day. I don't think I'll start this vlog here. I think I'll make an intro for it because I'm too sick. I'm too sick. Guys, I have such bad flu. Like, I have such bad flu. And I'm sneezing a lot. My nose is blocked. So I knocked off early. My manager was just like, go home. Thank God. But yeah, discam. I get discam. Yeah, but medical aid. Imagine. So I had to come back home. Then I chilled and watched a vlog. Then gonna getting Eric. So I'm having some biltong and water. Today is my daughter's first day at daycare, and I'm so happy. Like, yo guys, I'm so happy. Ngare, I'm living in a dream and I'm gonna wake up. I'm so happy. God is so good. A huge part of me wanted to fetch her now, but I'm just like, let me actually let her have her day at school and then go get some meds, drink meds, and take a nap. Wake up feeling better because I get a little more tired. So it's so nice. It's so nice living with my daughter and my husband. It's so nice. I love this little life. I really love this little life. So yeah, guys, I am on my way to Discam right now to get meds because my flu is so bad. My flu is so bad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matela, also known as Kelly V, and welcome to the very first episode of Vlogmas. Ba 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 ba. Guys, I did these braids last week. You won't believe me if I tell you I did these braids last week, but they are so messed up. I need to unplait my hair. The plan was to actually unplait it this weekend, but I think I'm gonna leave it for like Tuesday. Yeah, I think I'm gonna unplait on Tuesday instead of this weekend. So don't mind what you're seeing here. This is absolutely normal. I'm super excited for Vlogmas this year. Initially, the plan was to actually start vlogging before December so that I don't have like a lot of like stress vlogging last minute or when stuff like that. But I had such horrible flu and it was so bad. Mundam also had flu. Ora also had flu. So yeah, we were not feeling well for a long time. but then we're out of that flu season, and it's summer and it's Vlogmas and we're back, and I'm super excited. So I will be vlogging in real time, and I'm doing this for the first time because you guys know that when it comes to consistency, your girl is not the one. But I do try sometimes. So this time around I will be vlogging in real time. So this vlog is going to go out tomorrow. That's how crazy it is. That's how real it is in real time. So I thought and decided to start it now and right here, because it's a Saturday morning. Mabani nearly Black Friday, and we just decided to go to Baby City now. Black Friday, and if they still have some stuff, because I know they had nappies, wipes, and stuff like that. So we're hoping to still find them today if they are still there, and then we'll come back here and then proceed with the day. So yeah guys, I'm so excited about Vlogmas. I'm so excited about the next couple of days. I think it's going to be so fun. I think it's going to be very challenging but super fun. More than anything, I just really want to have a good time with it. So yeah, enjoy the day with me and my family.
Whoops!
That's drama!
Whoops! Driver! Yo, driver! Ungazibulali, please. I'm telling you.
Wow.
Stop fading away, What a childish game to play. We'll never know how close we came. Letting us down hurts me more than you know. The pain is too much, don't wanna be here alone. It's breaking my heart, watching you go. I wanted to stop, though I already know it's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Keep lying just to make me feel I'm not lonely. It's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Baby, you're kidding me. I just want you to hold me. Things ain't the same, and there's nobody here to blame. Oh, yeah. Baby, tell me if I'm wrong. Did we play this game for far too long? Far too long. Letting us down hurts me more than you know. The pain is too much, don't wanna be here alone. It's breaking my heart, letting you go. I want you to stop, but I already know. Make me feel I'm not lonely, no. Don't need you to go, but I know it's in. I just want you to hold me. Gotta go, baby, it's the end. Gotta go, baby, it's the end. Make me feel not lonely. Just want you to hold me.
Bathini bani?
Cut my poop.
Another rainy afternoon. I don't know what I'm to do.
Which one?
She likes it a lot.
Shameless plug.
Shameless plug, literally. She snacks on these.
Feel anything, wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. The hour's getting late. I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stay.
Welcome to Street Drive. We're gonna take your order.
Hi, may I please have a king steer sharing meal?
Okay, King Steer sharing meal. It's 2 King Steer burgers and 1 flat chips. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Nasindo.
Thank you.
Here beside me, this isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that.
Well, guys, we are done with Ora's food and her groceries. We just need to buy our groceries now. I think we'll do that later on during the day or tomorrow morning, but I think today just to go get something, and then like it's stairs so long. So yeah, we're done for now. It's 11:30. Ora girl is snoring at the back. She was so busy, guys. She was so busy babysitting, but she's sleeping now. So yeah, we are going home to eat and rest a bit, and then maybe we'll continue with our errands as the day goes.
Feeling that we said goodbye too soon. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. Stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, in this moment, forever be in this moment, in this moment, forever be. The night
morning, guys. Good morning, and welcome back to a brand new day. Today is a Sunday, and today this vlog goes live. I'm so excited. Guys. Vlogging in real time is going to be so challenging for me, but you know what? I love me a good challenge, and I'm definitely going to do this. If I do post this vlog today, then it means Vlogmas. Like, I'm only going to stop. But I'm gonna follow through and finish what I started. It is a Sunday today, guys. Yesterday just came. Shame Ora was sleeping in the car, and when we got inside the house, she woke up because obviously we had to walk up and all of that. And then I just had to put her on my back for a while, wash the dishes and tidy up the house, and then she slept. So after that, and then we ended up going to Checkers again to go get groceries. And then a nighttime routine. I just quickly made mac, cheese and mince, and then we got into the nighttime routine, so I couldn't continue vlogging. And now it's Sunday today and I'm like, I need to wrap up my vlog now because I have to post it today. Hopefully I posted my 3 more. I bought an air fryer on Take a Lot Friday, and I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited, and I am on my way to Take a Lot now to go and collect it. I think it's almost 9 o'clock in the morning, so let me go and collect my air fryer. And holding the phone in the car because I can't keep doing this. Like, my hand cannot keep being the tripod. So Leona Black Friday price as well. I'm so excited. I'll show you guys the packages when we get back. I just wanted you guys to know what's happening and to know that I am wrapping up this vlog. I was hoping to take the car to the car wash as well, but then I might have to just like upload the vlog first and then after. Happy Sunday and happy December. It's the 1st of December, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I want to share a quote with you guys that I'll be wrapping this year up, Guyana, and it would be great if we all wrap up the year, Guyana. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, it's okay. The quote says, you cannot improve something you're not implementing. Like, you cannot improve something you're not implementing. So if next year you want to improve weight loss journey, or you can't improve it if no, you understand? If you want to be more consistent on YouTube like me, you can't improve that if you don't start it now. If you literally anything and everything that you want to do, you have to do it and implement it now so that you work on improving it. And remember, nothing is impossible for those who try. So that's our December theme, guys. We're finishing the year strong. We are literally trying to have a good December and finish strong and start 2025 stronger. So let's go to Take a Lot and collect air fryer.
Forever be in this moment, forever be, forever be. This moment, forever be. be in this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. Hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running.
That's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this first episode of Vlogmas. I'll see you guys on Thursday for episode 2. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
From no one